Good morning, my dear children. So, welcome back to your English language class. Today, I'll be taking your comprehension class. So, did you all collect the letter and the essay which I sent in the assignment and also the video classes of it? Not the letters one, the essay. I think so. It was peacock. Yes, one was the rainbow and the other was the peacock. So, did you all collect it? Did you all write it in your English language notebook? I suppose yes. So, now I am going to do comprehension. So, only one letter will be left for your first term and 2 essays are completed. Your unit test grammar portion is completed. I'll do the revision work. I'll do the revision in grammar. I'll do it. And regarding the comprehension, so I'm going to do one comprehension today. Okay, and I'll teach you the lesson very nicely. I'll discuss the question answers also, but you have to do it yourself. And in your next class, I'll send it in your assignment. Okay, the question answers. You just see it that the answers are the same which you have written. Just see it. Okay, and do it in your comprehension book, not in your comprehension or some other else copy. You have to do it in your comprehension book. And the name of the book, you know, this one, Friday Afternoon. So the name of the book is Friday Afternoon, and open to page number 8. So my dear children, open to page number 8. You can pause the video also and go for your comprehension book and take it, and then you can start the video again. So the first thing is the name of the chapter, that is Letter to a Friend. Okay, it's a letter to a friend. So a friend is writing a letter to another friend. Okay, and about what? Let's see, about a pet dog. I read it, so I know it very nicely. It's about a pet dog. And what is the name of the pet dog? It's Mickey. And so all of you, did you all open the page? It's page number 8. So the address is given, and by reading this, it will be very much clear to you about the format of a letter also. That where to write the address, the sender's address, then the friend's name, and how to write a letter, how to end it, and at the end what you have to write. So this also shows the format, how you have to write a letter, and it's a comprehension also to you. So it's doing the dual thing for you all, a comprehension also and a letter also. Okay. So now, so what it is telling, just see, one friend is writing to the other friend. One friend's name is Anita and the other's name to whom Anita is writing the letter, that is Praveen. So, did you all open the page? It's page number 8. I suppose yes. Okay, my dear children. So, let's start. Dear Anita, I was very happy to get your letter and Mickey's photograph. Who this Mickey is? The pet dog. Praveen's pet dog. Okay. No. Anita's pet dog. I'm very sorry. It is Anita's pet dog. So, Praveen is writing the letter to Anita. So, what he's writing? Dear Anita, I was very happy to get your letter and Mickey's photograph. My, how Mickey has grown. He looks strong too. You are lucky to have a pet dog. My mother still does not want to get me one. So I'll have to be content with news of Mickey and the tricks he has learned. So what it is telling, that you are having a pet dog Mickey. Even I want a pet dog like Mickey to be with me in my house, but my mother is not allowing me. That no, you can't have the dog. You may have allergies or something like this. So I can't have a pet dog in my house. So I'm very sorry. So now Praveen is telling, so I have to look at the photographs of your pet dog, that is Mickey, and I'll be happy with that. Now, and he is very interested to know that what tricks Mickey is playing, how Mickey is walking, how Mickey is playing with a ball, how Mickey is behaving with the persons who are there in Anita's house. So he wants that also to know. Please make a note of all the interesting things that Mickey does and write to me about them. So I told you, he's so much interested about a pet dog. He's also a small child like you. So, and children, they always like to play with the pet dog, pet cat. Okay. So and he is not having a single in his house, so he's very much interested. And his friend Anita is having that, so he wants to gather all the informations about Mickey, about the pet dog, that how the dog is eating, how it's sleeping, how it is behaving, how it is playing, and so on. Okay, please make a note of all the interesting things that Mickey does and write to me about them. You know, one of your letters got lost in the post. So when friends can't communicate, they feel very much sad. And letter is though letter is not so much used nowadays, because phone is doing all the functions. Okay, you want to talk to your friend, take mama's phone. Mama, I want to talk with that friend, please mama. So this letter, it's a art. Okay, we should respect this art, this letter. So writing letter is a very good habit. Your English, your language, maybe English, maybe Bengali, maybe Hindi, or some other regional language, whatever you all are having. By writing the letters, you take out your thoughts. Okay, whatever thoughts you're having in yourself, you write it down. Okay, so that is a very good habit. So when a friend is writing a letter to a friend, it's very good. So sharing comes very nicely with the writing. Okay, talking over the phone, talking is completed, everything is gone. But when you write a letter, it lingers in your mind, because whenever you open the letter, you can see that your friend wrote this to you. Maybe your grandmother, maybe your grandfather, maybe your uncle. So whatever, calling over the phone is over, talking is over, everything is completed. But writing, this thing remains with you. Okay, it's your sentiment. It gets stuck, this sentiment, and you feel very happy whenever you open the letter and you read it. Okay, so, and one letter got lost in the post. So this person is very unhappy, okay, that my friend's letter, I posted the letter but it got lost. Now, so why don't you send your next letter by courier? So courier is a fast means, okay, faster it goes than this post office. Okay, so it's telling that why don't you send the letter through a courier? It isn't expensive. Small children is talking so nice thing that it is not so expensive also. You can send it through the courier also. I will also reach me fast, and it will also reach me faster. So, and the friend is so eager to know about Mickey that you send the letter. I'll see the pictures of Mickey and what Mickey is doing. I'm very eager to know it. So this fellow is very much anxious to know what this pet dog is doing. Okay then. By the way, I am reading a new book, Hidi. Have you read it? Now, the conversations which you have with your friends. Now, I'm telling, okay, leave this dog topic. Now, I'm reading a new storybook, and the name of the storybook is Hidi. Now, have you read it? Now, my children, did you read this book, Hidi? It's a very nice book. Book for you. Okay, you all can read it. It's very, very interesting. You'll love it. Okay, Hidi. Then, looking forward to hearing from you. So, this is how you have to write a letter. Then, affectionately yours, or yours loving also we write. So, affectionately yours. Affectionately means loving also. Praveen. So, you should love your friends. You should share with your friends your tiffin and your water. Then you are talking your chats also. You should share with your friends. It's very much needed, because friends are of your same age. Okay, so they will understand your feelings very nicely, your sentiments very nicely. Okay, where you are getting stuck in your studies. This science portion, is not clear to me. That EVS portion is not clear to me. This maths portion is not clear to me. The same is happening to you. You can ask your friends like this. So you are feeling very bored in the house. The same to me. I can't play with my dolls and all these things. Why don't you come? Now we can't come, because for this pandemic situation, our parents are not allowing. So this thing happens that when you talk with your friends, this type of talking goes on with you all. So this is what friends are. Okay, when you are feeling very sad, if you go and tell a friend will ask you that what happened to you, why you are feeling sad. Well, I lost my pen, and my mama will scold me a lot. Then the friend will say, nothing will happen, everything will be all right, don't cry, be happy, play with us. So this is what our friends are. This is what our friends are. They always support us, they always love us. Okay, this is what our friends are. So you all are missing your friends, my dear children. Your classmates, good friends of yours. So we are going back to this chapter again, that letter to a friend. Now I am going to discuss about the question answers. What did Praveen think? Anita is lucky. Now what? It's coming in your mind, ma'am. You told that Anita is having a pet dog whose name is Mickey, and for that reason, Praveen thinks that Anita is lucky. Then the second question: write 2 sentences about Mickey. Now 2 sentences. He's a very strong dog, strong and healthy, and he's very playful. Okay, he's very faithful too. Whatever you know about the pet dogs, you can write. You're having pet dogs in your house also. You can write 2 categories of that also. Okay, then. What did Praveen ask for news of Mickey? What news? That what he's doing, what tricks he's learning, how he's playing in the house, all these things. Huh? So you can write with your own language, easy English. English will be very easy. Small, short sentences you will write, and you will see can do. Why does Praveen think it would be better for Anita to send her letters via courier? Because one letter got lost, na? I discussed. Yes, one letter he sent to Anita and it got lost. And no, Anita sent a letter to Praveen and that got lost. Okay, and he wants to send through courier so that he can get the news of Mickey very quickly. Soon he will get the news. Okay, so for that reason he wants the letter to be sent via courier, not via post office. Okay, then tick the correct answer. Praveen thinks the courier service is what he thinks is within easy reach, reliable. Okay, within, not expensive. It's not given over here. It's written Praveen thinks the courier service is expensive. It's not expensive. If it's selling, it's not expensive. Within easy reach means you can do it. It's affordable. Then Praveen likes to read about what? Praveen likes to read about Mickey, parrots, cats, pigeons. So you know very nicely. I will not tell you whom is so much interested about. Anita's letter got lost in the post because of wrong address, getting delivered by hand because she misplaced it. So whatever is right, you do it. I'll send it to you in your assignment. You will get it. But now you should do it yourself. It's a comprehension. Find the opposite of the following words from the letter. Sad, opposite of sad, receive, dissatisfied, cheap. Okay, you do it yourself. It's very easy. You can do it. Try. Okay, at least you have to try yourself. Okay, and after that I'll send it. This you will get in your assignment, but first you do it yourself. Okay, my dear children. So in your next class, in your next video class, in the next class you'll get the assignment of this, and in your next video class I'm going to go back to your grammar again. Okay, my dear children. So bye bye. Stay safe in your house. We'll meet in the next class.